employee number. So rename column, which table was 5 cubic schema table, okay, dot employee to what? So what a old column name and to what? To new column, rename. So rename the technical names of the column, okay. And you want to rename the table, So I've got one more table called alter table 1. Okay. And I would like to rename this table name as what? For alters. So I'll say I'll rename what? Table. This is my table name for what? To which name? To for all alerts. So there is nothing like alter table 1. It is renamed as for others. Like this, you can rename technical name of table, technical name of a column also like this. And I can also rename index name. Rename index the old name to what? Let's say you build an index. I would like to rename the index on a table. I can also do that.
So you have and table is table is a global means used by public. You have made changes to the table because you are the one who created. So it's going to get changed everywhere.
Yeah, because anyone who's using would be referring to the same table, right? And the last one, we don't create, but there's something called create and drop extended storages also. We cannot show this, but extended storage is something like, not like, it is a secondary database storage. So you got HANA database. You would like to install Sybase IQ as a secondary database and store all the cold data into it. So you categorize data into 3 parts: hot, warm, and cold. Hot is more frequently used for reporting. That you'll want that in main memory, and it's not so frequently, but you would use it. Then I would store that in a disk, and there's some data which I'll never use it. Okay. Then I'll push that in, not even to disk. I'll push that in another secondary database, nearline storage. It's like a secondary database we push into that. That is called a secondary extended storage. Okay, let's say so by using create and drop extended storages, you can create a connection to the secondary database or drop the connections. We'll not deal this with now. We'll deal with when we deal with BW port by HANA NLS configuration. We'll see that. But extended storage and this normally would PSA create this now. While creating PSA, now you'll see a new checkbox called extended storage table. When you enable the checkbox, PSA table is stored into NLS. So, for example, you have BW powered by HANA, and you configured Sybase IQ as NLS solution. Now, when creating PSA, you'll have a checkbox called extended table. Then, whatever this table will be stored in Sybase IQ, not in HANA. But when you're reading it, you'll be showing normal data, but it will be reading from where? Sybase IQ. So, right up with DSO, I can have a checkbox called extended storage. Then, the active table of right up to DSO will be created in NLS, not in. But when you do reporting, it will still show you. Now, for example, say I have normal DSO. I have some data which is only read only. I can push that data into NLS. NLS could be any secondary database. That's fine. You can implement NLS with Sybase IQ or SQL Server. Anything depends on. Yeah, but create and drop. Create is about establishing connection from your HANA database to secondary database, and drop is about dropping the connections out. Okay, fine. So this is pretty much on data creations. Now, I think I should be okay with this now. Views, triggers, tables, synonyms, and sequences. Tomorrow we'll touch on procedures and functions. Okay, boss, yeah? Fine. we can leave. But for tomorrow, can you just call and find out in the evening whether there is class for tomorrow or not? You know Pawan's number, right? 988538465 Mostly you'll have class. There's something I'll miss it. 84656. Okay, call him by evening 7 or he'll tell you. Okay, fine. Thanks.